Hello friends, this is Tushar from Charu Creation Private Limited. So today we are visiting one of our premium customers, Sariska Apparels in Noida. They are into manufacturing of kids garments and women apparels. So let's go inside. Let's meet the promoter of Sariska Apparel, Mr. Samarth Bhatia. Come. So friends, here we are with the promoter of Sariska Apparels, Samarth. Hello Samarth, welcome
Hi,
to the
sir.
show.
How are you?
Fine.
Good, thank you.
So quickly introduce yourself, Samarth.
So hi guys, I'm Samarth Bhatia. I'm the partner in Sariska Apparel. So we started this firm in about 2015. It was started by me only.
Okay.
So we are into manufacturing of garments, where we basically deal into ladies and kids wear.
Okay.
And we have our customers all around the world right now at the moment.
Okay.
And hoping to have more.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Okay, Samarth, can you quickly take us through your factory? Could you tell us something about your infrastructure, your machines, your sampling rooms, or your R&D department?
So, okay. Hi, Tusharji. I would like to start with how we receive the queries and how we go proceed about it.
Yeah.
So, in the first, whatever happens is when we get a buyer, the buyer send us a spec sheet, the buyer send us their requirements.
Yeah.
Accordingly, we first thing initial stages starts from by sourcing the fabric of the required.
Okay.
What the buyer requirement is. We source the fabric, then the style goes into our sampling room where the sample has been developed.
Okay.
And when the development is done, then we do our R&D also on the basis seeing the scenario. Okay, what are the best comments possible according to us, or what is the requirement of the buyer? Keeping in mind, we give out our suggestions. We do our R&D over there. Then we send out the samples to the buyer, writing our comments and everything. Then we have a comments over the samples. Once the comments has been received, the same fitting procedure goes up till about 3 or 4th, 5th.
I'll quickly ask a question. Tell me about your design department, the designers that you have.
So designers, I have 2 designers on roll with us.
Great. Yeah.
So but that is only for few customers who do not have a design centric, who are not design centric, who are just a normal standalone buyers who depends on the other person's collection to be introduced in their store.
So friends, this is an important thing. So if you do not have a designer, Samarth can help you out in this department.
Our team, we have a designing team with us where we can take out the inspiration or the target customers which you're looking for, and we can come up with the designs for you.
Okay, so let's move forward. Now what happens?
After the fittings has been closed. So what happens is when the fittings have been closed, we order, obviously the buyer sends us the purchase orders for that. Simultaneously, we order a fabric outside. The fabric generally takes around about 30 to 45 days to come in-house.
Yeah.
So once the fabric is in-house, in that duration, when the 30 to 35 days, when the buyer gives us the order on the first fit only. If it likes it, then he wants to go ahead with it. So the buyer will give us the order and will subject to the timeline of 90 days from that orders.
Okay.
So the 30 days is to close the fittings and all the procedures in between. Till then we order the fabric. In 30 to 45 days the fabric comes in. It goes into our stores, get it checked. As per the requirement,
very stringent checking what's be happening there.
Like there are obviously there are parameters set for the certain kind of, because since the dealing into fabrics, there are other kinds of fabric compositions also, as fibers are there like cotton, polyester and everything. Everyone has a different parameter. And keeping those parameters in mind, the fabric once is checked, when the fabric has been passed, so the same fabric then gets issued to the cutting department where the cutting has been done, where the different garments parts have been cut. Then those cuttings are then issued to the sewing department.
Could you tell me more about the cutting department? So probably I'm sure you must be making sure that the maximum, minimum input, maximum output, minimum wastage is there.
Obviously, we like to take, because since the fabric constraint of the width, we do this in the R&D stage only.
Okay.
When we are making the development of the sample only, there and then we close it, how much wastage and how much is going to happen. So there and then only we decide how to do it. In the cutting, we make sure of one thing only, like the length of the layer length.
The layer length.
The layer length. We make sure that the layer length is not more than 3 inches. Because once you're cutting the fabric with your machine, the fabric has a tendency to slide. So because of which there can be a few of the few measurements cannot be achieved. So that
the important thing is it has to be kept to 3 inches.
Yeah, the important thing is it has to be kept to 3 inches so that the fabric, if it is more than 3 inches, the fabric has a tendency to slide. In 3 inches, you can control the sliding of the fabric.
Okay.
Obviously, it increases our time to cut the fabric, but at least the quality has been assured over there that the cutting which has been done in the corrective parameter.
Okay, so this applies only to woven or to knit also? Knits
Everywhere.
Also? Everywhere.
Everywhere.
So
obviously, depending 3 inches is a standard one.
Standard one.
Depending on the fabric and depending on the style, those variations come. Some can go up to 5 inches also. Some can go up to 1 inch also, depending on how the fabric is.
Okay, so let's move forward. This fabric has been checked and hopefully everything is fine. And then, so tell me about the number of machines or what kind of machines do you have?
So I have around about 250 machines in-house with me.
Yeah.
So we basically do mostly of woven styles. Like our composition, if you compare on the basis of wovens and knits, two categories. So we are doing 80% of the wovens and 20% of knits machine.
Okay.
Like obviously there are different machines for them.
Yeah.
We are fully equipped with both of them.
Yeah.
So at present, like we have 250 machines comprising, like there are mixture of obviously the knit machines are comparatively less than the wovens one.
Yeah.
And the output around about a month is for these machines is around about 50,000 garments a month.
Okay, so that's the capacity you can deliver.
Yeah.
50,000 garments a month. That's great. Yeah.
So after then we issue the cutting to the your sewing stage, then the garment has been sewing. We have before issuing the to the sewing stage, we obviously have a pre-production meeting where all the concerned departments are called. Okay, this style is going into production. These are the things which we need to take care at what stage. Those meetings have been done. Those pointers have been given. Then those personals with their own pointers have been assigned to verify and check that these things are maintained in the production line and all, because that is the major area where we need to control the entire thing. Once the cutting is done and the sewing, because once the sewing is done, you can't open it and make the alterations always.
Okay.
It has to be controlled there and then only.
There and then only.
So sewing department plays a major role important there, and the quality department also has a major role over there.
Yeah.
The quality people personnel take their points. We put wherever there is a critical operation, we put a concerned quality person over there to get verified that particular operation has been passed throughout.
Okay.
And the garment has been achieved their shape.
Yeah.
Once the garment is out from the machines, it is again checked at the table and the production floor itself. Maybe some other operation or something has been missing or something has been problematic. So those garments are retained back.
Yeah.
Other garments which have been passed from that stage then goes up to our finishing stage.
So I would like to just interfere. This is a very important thing, that this quality check is happening. Means this is an important aspect for the buyers. They can be rest assured that the garment is being properly checked before being dispatched.
See, to maintain, as we are very quality driven people over here, so to maintain the quality, each department has their quality parameters and to be checked there and then. Like even the cutting, once we feel that the cutting has been done, so we also, there are certain styles where we put our quality personnel there also to get the cutting checked there and then proceed for the other step.
Okay.
Each stage has its own importance and has their own important quality personnel allotted to them, so that we can maintain the quality for the entire product.
Great. So now let's move forward. The garment is ready. Now comes the packing stage.
No, the garment once done from the finishing stage goes to the finishing thing where the uncut threads, everything, it is more like beautifying the garment. The main construction has been done of the garment. It is more on the beautification of the garment where it will be beautified. Any other major checkings of anything in the transit has been happened to the garment can be checked and be controlled. Once they all are done, pressed, everything has been done, then they go to the packing stage where they have to go through a metal detector machine.
Oh great. Yeah.
Where they have to check if there is any kind of a metal or anything left due to the production stage. So we get that cross check from there. Then it has been packed into the cartons as per the requirement of the buyer. Then it is sealed. Then the inspections of those garments happen. Then the inspection has to be passed. Then the ships are moved to the customer. This is each and every stage, like even for packing, we get our audit done for the packing also, so that certain times, because since we are playing into volume, certain times there are chances of human errors happening who the person who's packing also. So we get that also quality wise checked again, that if the numbers which have been packed are be true or not.
Great. So actually I wanted to ask you, why should people give business to you? I think you have elaborately you have elaborated that answer.
No,
already.
I would say business. I am not the only one who's been manufacturing the garments. The only reason which I feel which people should give business to us is there are two. I will classify into three major reasons. A, we are a team of young people, young dynamics who knows what the current market scenario is happening and what the customer is exactly looking for.
Great.
Secondly, we have totally quality driven. Like we don't believe into lower qualities of things. We believe if the quality itself, if the quality speaks on its own.
Okay, great.
And thirdly, I would say that the kind of infrastructure and the kind of effort we have put in to build in that team.
Great, yeah.
It's not only me who's really apprehensive of the quality, it's only the total team attribute towards it. The team itself
the total team is moving in the same direction.
That is the most force driving me in this pandemic also to keep them retained. And that is the biggest challenge right now, to retain those people to get this thing rolling.
Great. So I'll just close down the interview now. How has been your experience with Charu?
Charu's experience has been really good. Honestly, like the major concern of ours was the timely delivery of the fabrics, which Charu has never disappointed us. Even if there has been any issue or anything has been solved within maximum time span of 1 hour, I would say. So it's been a great experience to work with Charu. I would definitely like to work with Charu more.
Thanks for the kind words.
My name is Samarth Bhatia. My mobile number is 9910058840. My email ID is samarth@sariskaapparel.com. You can also check out my website. It is by the name of sariskaapparel.com.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
So for knowing more about any fabrics, you can contact us at Charu. You can contact us at our number 9971106200. You can simply email us at charu@charu.org.in. If you wish to receive more useful information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Charu Creation Private Limited. Thanks a lot.